Have you heard of the Camp Lejeune water contamination problem? Camp Lejeune is a military camp in Jacksonville, North Carolina, used primarily as a Marine Corps base. Construction of the camp began in 1941, and it was completed the following year. According to the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry, ATSDR, water being supplied by the Hadnot Point treatment plant was already contaminated by toxic chemicals by August 1953. However, it was not until 1982 when the Marine Corps identified several contaminants like trichloroethylene and perchloroethylene or tetrachloroethylene that were well above the EPA's standards for safe drinking water. In 1985, the federal government shut down the most contaminated supply wells on Camp Lejeune and deemed the water safe at the end of 1987. Military veterans, their family members, and other personnel who worked at or lived at Camp Lejeune between 1953 and 1987 may be at risk of developing certain health issues due to exposure to the contaminated water. These health issues include various types of cancer, reproduction disorders, birth defects, neurological disorders, and many others. If you or a loved one lived at Camp Lejeune between 1953 and 1987 and have developed any health issues, you may be eligible to pursue a claim and seek financial compensation. Contact Maxwell Law Group at 844-427-3031 today. We can answer any questions you have and review your case at no cost to you.